it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to be doing some stovetop cooking for you guys on the Nordica Rosetta Bii. This one is going to be shown in the Liberty Pergamena color, and today I will be cooking up breakfast for you guys. So I'm going to be making bacon and eggs, and like whether you just like breakfast or like breakfast for lunch or breakfast for dinner, tonight it's going to be like breakfast for dinner for me. But I make a lot of vegetables and I've had so many comments with you guys being like, hey, please make something else. So here I am making bacon and eggs for you guys because that is definitely an American classic. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, here is my bacon in my cast iron pan. I'm gonna go ahead and use cast iron today. I should give you a cooktop reading. So my fire is going slower because I am currently baking a pie, but yeah, my cooktop is plenty hot for bacon. I'm getting 515 degrees on the center cook plate right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my bacon on there. And I will also be cooking eggs. For my eggs, I generally like to use a non-stick pan. I haven't really like mastered the whole cast iron pan thing yet with my eggs, so I'll be cooking you guys some eggs. For eggs, I always try and buy like local farmer eggs if I can, but we kind of use more than normal, so if not, I always get like the organic brown free range kind of eggs. Here I have my stovetop cooking. My bacon is coming along. My eggs are quick, so my egg pan is reading 275-ish. This is the grease on the cooktop. This is what I mean. Like, I try to be so careful and it just happens. Okay, my bacon is looking done, so I'm gonna pull it. It's actually a little more, I like my bacon soft personally. Here's my egg. I kind of pulled it over to the side because I'm pretty particular about my eggs. I really don't like my eggs overcooked. I like them nice and gooey, nice yellow yolk in the middle. Okay guys, my bacon is done. I'm gonna pull it off. I'm still kind of waiting on my egg. I need to flip it really quick. I literally just need to flip it and then it's done. Bam, oh yeah, my yolk is perfecto. Okay guys, here we have it. The absolute most perfect gooey egg, nice soft thick cut, organic bacon. Delicious. Here's the rest of the bacon. All right, I want to show you guys the cooktop after bacon and eggs. I probably should use a lid. I should learn. This sucks. This is hard to get off. That's one thing I will say. The stove's hot, but as soon as it's cooled down, you want to clean off your cooktop. And sometimes with like oil, it's pretty much like almost got to be sanded out, but just keep that in mind. That can happen. So, if you guys find this video helpful, you know, we really try and educate our customers and provide as much information to you guys as possible. So we work really hard to provide free information. If you guys do appreciate that, I would appreciate if you guys could just give me a little thumbs up there. Liking my videos really helps me out. If you click subscribe in the corner of the channel, that helps me out tremendously. I love it if you guys share my content with a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.